It's John Tryon here at the Ontario Regiment Museum. We're just continuing our work on the Dozer M113 project. We've had good success. Everything's buttoned up without any leaks. We've got some air in the hydraulic system here in the front hydraulics for the blade that we're in the process of bleeding. And a little earlier today, we've topped up the reservoir and the hydraulics for the rear ramp, so that's now functioning as normal. So once we get this system bled and functioning properly, we'll take the track out for a little test drive and make certain everything's functioning properly before we hand it off back to the yard man, so to speak. Okay, so we've had a look at the hydraulic system on it, and apparently we have a chuck valve in line that's causing us some issues. I have fittings, but they're not the right size. So we'll do a test run with the dozer blade in the air, and we'll make certain that mechanically on the automotive side everything's up and running, and then we'll save the changing out that fitting for another day. Probably happen later on this week, and we'll be finished and this thing will be done. We can move on to the other TLAV project and keep the ball rolling.